Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2022 BMW X6M. This BMW is powered by all-wheel drive, 4.4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 38,799 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this gently used 2022 BMW X6M. It offers an exceptional blend of style, comfort, and power, a truly elevated driving experience. Own a masterpiece of German engineering today. This pre-owned X6M comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, push button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate, cooled seats, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this BMW X6M is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, head-up display, smart device integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.